Alright guys, I wanted to show you this. This is my fire pot that I welded up a while back. Yeah, the welds aren't all that great, but they're no. But I want to mention, first off, before you start a project, you want to get an idea of what you're doing, draw it out, get a good look at it, make sure it's where you want it. Whenever you're grinding or cutting or anything like that, always make sure to have yourself a respirator, safety glasses, preferably a face shield. Don't skimp on the safety, guys. Alright. I'll get back with you after I get this cut out. A couple things I forgot to mention a second ago. Always wear a head covering and long sleeves, because I'm telling you, nothing says love like getting a hot spark in the middle of your hair. And whenever you're using these fiberglass cutoff wheels, always be careful, because I can't tell you how many of these I've seen run off of side grinders and hit people. Alright, have fun. Alright, so we got our hole cut here, and the idea is for this 1.5-inch pipe to sit down here, and I know you're going, well, why did you cut a square hole for a round pipe? Well, I haven't got a hole saw small enough for the pipe. So what I'm going to have to do is I'm going to have to go through here and basically, well, fill it up with weld. And we'll be back whenever I get done with that. Alright guys, our welding's done. Once again, it's pretty much a gorilla weld. But part of this exercise is, you know, it doesn't have to be perfect, it just has to work. And if it don't work, you can figure out how to fix it. So I'm going to clean this weld up, and well, we'll go from there. Alright, now see, this is going to be my inlet pipe for my blower. I'm going to cut a V out here, and then I'm going to cut a notch out of this pipe right here and weld the two together so it sockets on there. Alright, I got my slots cut, and as you can see, fits together, well, fairly good. Still got a little bit of gap to fill up, but it's not that bad. Alright guys, well, right at the end, I ran out of wire. As you can see, I still got some filling to do. But what you have here now is essentially a finished forge. Blower hooks up to this end right here, blows through this up into the bottom of the fire pipe, and the ashes fall down this tube right here and out at the end. Well, this end right here is sealed while you're actually running the forge, but whenever you need to clean out, you just open this up and, you know, truck your ashes out. Alright.